Wagwan, one of the pan. So in this video, I am making peri peri chicken, and I am gonna make the sauce first. I am not sure if I will put the chicken into an oven or I will grill it on a coal stove. I am not sure at this point. I will decide as I go along. So to make the sauce, I am using about 4 sweet peppers that I remove the seeds, 2 small onions, 4 cloves garlic, and the peri peri sauce. The original peri peri sauce calls for chili peppers, but I do not have chili peppers at this time, so I will use 2 regular hot peppers, and I will also use about a teaspoon of chili powder. 4 teaspoons vegetable oil, and 4 teaspoons white vinegar. So I am using 2 teaspoons of homemade organic chili powder instead of the 1 teaspoon that I mentioned earlier in the video. The juice of 1 green lime, now I'm gonna give it a good pulse to combine all the ingredients. Now I personally likes to let the sauce sit for at least 10 minutes before I season the chicken. So for the chicken, I am using 2 leg quarters and 2 wings that I wash with vinegar and water, put to drain and then pat dry. Then I season with salt. This is all purpose, and I'm using generous amount chicken season, black pepper, this is dried herbs, oregano, and this is dried thyme. A little bit of Badia complete seasoning, and also Lawry's seasoned salt. Badia and Lawry's seasoned salt are my 2 favorite seasoning. I use them in almost, if not all, my dishes. So now I am rubbing the spices and the dry herbs all over the chicken. Careful not to tear the skin, and I slit the chicken quarters about 4 times just to allow the sauce to soak in and so forth. It is totally optional. Now for the sauce, I'm pouring some all over the chicken. So I'm gonna allow the chicken to marinate for an hour. So I decided that I'm gonna bake the chicken in the oven. Please excuse the background noise. And what I'm doing is using a little bit of vegetable oil to grease the grill so that the chicken does not stick on it, but I don't know if it really makes sense because the chicken still stick. Maybe it does not stick as much, so maybe that's why I kept greasing it. So now I am placing the chicken pieces onto the grill and I am making space between each piece of chicken. So in the meantime, preheat an oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I am gonna bake the chicken for about 50 minutes to an hour. So this is my peri peri chicken, 50 minutes into the oven, and the chicken is ready.